welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Riss Beauty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to never miss a video posted by me. So today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look. I only showed how I did my eyes in this look just because that's what this tutorial was like dedicated to, was just the eyes, which I think came out pretty cool. There's like some yellow, a lot of sparkly colors, and I used one palette, which I know is super expensive, and I don't really like to use expensive things in my videos, but I got this for Christmas as a gift, and you can't deny, like, this palette, I can't deny that this palette is the best palette I have ever used. It's probably the best on the market. It's the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and I literally woke up for this when it dropped. Like, I woke up so early to get it. Guys, like, look at these shades. Love these shades. They're beautiful. Like, this yellow I used today under here, and why does it like not look yellow? Let me add some more. Oh, there we go. And I just love these shades. They're so creamy and blend out so nicely. Don't like mind my hair, it's really bad. And yeah, but these shimmer shades, I didn't even use like MAC Fix Plus, like at all, nothing. I used just my finger to apply them. So I was super inspired by Natasha Denona herself. She has a YouTube channel, and I was just watching it, and when this palette first came out, she did a video on it, and it was this like exact look. So enough rambling. If you want to see how I created this look right here, then just keep on watching. Don't mind my brows. One came out like perfect, and this one I don't know what's going on. But anyways, we're going to go into the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And it looks like this. I was actually on her YouTube, and I really got inspired on the look that she did with this palette when it first came out. And so I'm going to recreate it, and I will link her video down below. The look was just so pretty, and she used like this yellow. And yeah, so this palette is amazing. It is a little on the pricey side, which honestly I don't really like using on my channel because not everybody can have access to this palette, and I don't want to leave anybody out, but I'm going to use it just for the sake of this video. So let's begin. Take this first shade right here. This is the shade Terra. So I'm going to put that in my crease with like a big fluffy, dense, kind of like a flat definer a little bit. These are super pigmented, but they're really easy to blend out. And I'm also going to apply that on my waterline, or my bottom lash line. Doesn't it look like a different color than what's on my crease? Maybe because this brush was dirty? Because doesn't it look like red? Like, that's a completely different color. But, okay. I'm going to take this yellow shade and put that in, like, just right here, with just like a flat brush, just to really make it pop. Because that's what she did. Go in with a Bade which is this nice sparkly like gold color right here. And she took it on her finger, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to do it with my pinky because my pinky is more precise and tiny. And she put that all over the lid. So we have so far. So now I'm going to take this, let me see, this brush I use for the lower lash line, and I'm going to go into this color right here, which is Volcano, and I'm going to run that across my lash line, just because I don't have any other, I don't have like a flat like brush for that because I left it at home. She used an eyeliner. I'm not going to because I don't have any with me because I left them all at home. So we're gonna improvise here. I'm gonna go back in with that Volcano shade and put it just like in the outer V area. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M433 for that. I'm going to go in with the shade Ingenious, which is this brown shade, and kind of buff it on the waterline, or the eyelash line. I'm going to take Bronze Age, and which is that nice like coppery gold. And I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to apply it kind of like in the outer V. And then I'm going to go back in, I don't think she did this, but I'm going to go back in with that crease shade, Terra. And I'm going to like add that color back in just because I kind of like it. Okay guys, so that completes my Natasha Denona inspired makeup look with using her Sunset palette. This is the best like eyeshadow ever. I have nothing bad to say about it. It is pricey, but it definitely is worth it. I just love this palette and I love the look that I created today, and that's it. So give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. You know the deal. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.